Boom, we got 5-0 as a group. 5-0 as a group. Left leg first, hands up, take this house. Ready, go! Anybody want to quit?
No!
How you feeling? Sounds crazy. Look, you smiling. Get there, get there, get there.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. And the sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the
All right, here we go.
rain,
Up.
I've a smile
Focus.
on
Up.
my
Fast. Ladies, who am I?
I'm the champion!
Guys, who am I? I'm the champion! Down.
just singing, singing in the rain. Dancing in the rain.
I'm gonna be the person that they just came. You're gonna be the person that's giving it all he got. Hands up. Same motion. Ain't nothing different between me and him. Look, pay attention. He got 2 legs, I got 2 legs. He got a heart, I got a heart. He got 2 arms, I got 2 arms. But there's gonna be a difference between this and what he got in his head. Watch. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you something. Look. There's a clear. How you feeling? You gotta get there. Look, let me tell you a little bit about life. Life is gonna knock you down, but just like the rain comes in, baby, you feel this little bit of rain, it's gonna come. Days like this. TGIM, that's why we here. That's why we come out here. This is effort. Everybody has the same choice, you guys. I decided to make a choice to stop giving up on myself. I said it all. I was like, man, I'm too short. I can't do this. I don't have enough money. My parents weren't there. I ain't got no car. Who starts a workout that they can't even get to? Nobody. It don't make sense. I was doing TGIM, you guys. I couldn't even afford to eat. I was giving away protein bars, and I used to hope nobody brought a guest. Sometimes I'll be telling you the truth. Somebody bring a guest, I'll be like, where you going? Y'all think it's funny, but I'm telling the truth. Because sometimes that's all I had to eat. We have 4 people. Now look. There's a choice. His effort versus my effort. We all have the same choice. I want you guys to start showing up like that in life. Show up like that in life. You already seen it. You've seen it. And you felt it too. You felt it. When he was going, you felt his energy, right?
Yes.
When he was going, you felt his energy, right?
Yes.
You got to start giving that, y'all. You got to start giving that effort.